Hello engineering student! Are you struggling with soil mechanics calculation? Don't worry anymore because GeoMate is here. A Python-based soil mechanics calculate to decide to help you perform soil calculation easily. When you run the program, a welcome message will appear, introducing GeoMate and explaining its purpose. Then the program will ask you to enter your name. For example, if you type Henry, the program will greet you and say, "Hello Henry, what would you like to calculate today?" This makes the program feel interactive and personalized right from the start.
After the greeting, GeoMate shows a main menu with 15 options. The first 10 options are for soil calculations such as bearing capacity, settlement, dry density, moisture content, and so on. There are also options to store values, view stored values, view formulas, export results, or exit the program. For this demonstration, we will select choice 1, bearing capacity. The program will then ask us to enter the required input values, guiding us step by step through calculation. For the bearing capacity calculation, the program asks for several values. For example, it will ask for effective cohesion. We can enter 25 kPa. Then it asks for NQ. We enter 30. Then it asks for unit weight. We input 18. The depth of foundation, let's put 2 meters. Next is NY, we put 20. The width of foundation, we type 1.5 meter. And finally, it asks for NY, we put 15. After entering all these values, the programs calculate the ultimate bearing capacity and shows the result. For example, ultimate bearing capacity is equal to 1,481.25 kPa. Along with an interpretation, this is the maximum pressure the soil can withstand before shear failure, and the actual design should include a safety factor.
For choices 2 to 10, the process is the same. The program asks for the necessary input, calculate the result, display it, and provide an interpretation. After performing a calculation, GeoMate also give you the option to store the result for future reference. For example, once you calculate the ultimate bearing capacity, the program will ask you, "Do you want to store this result for future use? Yes or no?" If you type Y, the program will then request a custom name for the value, such as bearing capacity sample. Once stored, this value is saved in the program memory and can be viewed anytime. Later on, if you need the same value for another calculation, GeoMate doesn't automatically insert it. So you can simply open the View Stored Value option. The program will show you a neatly organized list containing all saved values and their name, making it easy for you to check the value you need and manually enter it in your next formula. This feature helps avoid repeating a long computation and keeps your important result accessible throughout your session.
Additionally, GeoMate allows you to view all formulas by selecting the option from the menu. This will show each formula along with an explanation of its variables and units. For instance, you can review the bulk density formula, which is M over V, and see exactly what M and V represent. This is very helpful for understanding the theory behind the calculations and for studying or solving engineering problems efficiently. When you have finished your calculation, GeoMate gives you the option to export all results to a CSV file. By selecting the export option from the menu, the program will save a file called geomate_results.csv. This file contains a detailed log of each calculation, including the formula used, the input values, the result, and the calculation number. You can open this file in Excel or any spreadsheet software for documentation, review, or submission.
Finally, to exit the program, select the Exit option. GeoMate will display a summary message showing the total number of calculations you performed. For example, you completed 7 calculations, exiting GeoMate. Thank you for using the program. This ensures you leave the program with a clear record of your progress. And that's how GeoMate works. It guides you step by step through soil mechanics calculations, making it easier for engineering students to learn and compute quickly. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope GeoMate becomes a helpful companion in your geotechnical engineering journey.